Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce Now error code 0xC0F2210E. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to start a session on GeForce Now, but the game fails to launch. Some users have reported encountering this error while trying to play a new season of a game, while others experienced long queue times before the error appeared. The exact cause is unclear, but it may be related to network issues, server problems, or app updates. Now let's go through the possible fixes. First, try rebooting both your modem and router. Simply turn off your modem and router, then unplug them from the power source. Then wait for about 5 minutes. Then plug them back in and turn them on. Then try launching the game again to see if the error still persists. If the error still persists, check if GeForce Now servers are experiencing downtime. To check the GeForce Now servers, you can visit status.geforcenow.com and see if there are any reported issues or scheduled server maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are restored. If the servers are working normally and you are playing on NVIDIA Shield, try uninstalling and reinstalling the GeForce Now app. If the error still occurs, wait for a few hours and try again. If the issue persists even after waiting, contact GeForce Now support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.